By the end of this video, you will know how to set up categories in Wave. Start by logging in to your Wave account, enter your account credentials on the sign-in page, then wait for the main dashboard to load. Once you are inside your account, look to the left side of the screen where the main navigation menu appears. This is where you will move into the accounting area and open the list that holds your existing categories. From that left-hand menu, click Accounting. A submenu will appear beneath it. In that submenu, select Chart of Accounts. This opens a page where Wave stores the accounts used to organize your transactions and reporting. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until the full account list is visible before continuing. When you are on the Chart of Accounts page, find and click Add a new account. This opens the form for creating a new category. The form includes several fields, and the first one to focus on is the account type. Select the appropriate account type based on the kind of category you want to create. Make sure the type matches the purpose of the account before moving forward, since this affects where the category fits in your records. After choosing the account type, move to the account name field. Enter the name you want this new category to display in Wave. Use a name that clearly identifies how the account will be used, since this is the label you will see later when sorting transactions or reviewing financial information. Next, enter an account ID if needed. This field may be useful if you organize accounts with internal reference numbers or a numbering system. If you do not use account IDs, you can leave that field according to your setup. Then enter a description if needed. The description can help distinguish this account from others by adding a short note about its purpose. Keep the wording clear so the category is easy to recognize later. Once those fields are filled in, take a moment to review the account details on the form. Check the account type, account name, and any optional information you entered. This review helps confirm that the category is set up the way you want before it is added to your chart of accounts. When everything looks correct, click Save. Wave will create the new account and add it to your chart of accounts. After the page refreshes, you should be able to see the new category in the list with your other accounts. If you do not see it right away, check the page again after it finishes updating. Your new category is now created and saved in Wave's chart of accounts.